Today I want to take a look at a few philatelic representations of bats on stamps of various countries around the world and see if we might not develop a little better appreciation for these important animals. At last count, 1,400 species of bats have been identified. They comprise 1/4 of the total mammal species population on the Earth. That's pretty amazing. Bats are found everywhere on Earth, except the Arctic, the Antarctic, and a few remote islands. They range in size from the bumblebee bat, which is the smallest mammal on Earth at just over an inch long and weighing only 2 grams, to the flying fox, which can have a wingspan of up to 6 feet and weigh up to 2 pounds. The flying fox, or the fruit bat, is represented here on a 1957 issue by Seychelles, an island in the Indian Ocean off the east coast of Africa, and a set of 4 stamps by the South Pacific island nation of Vanuatu, and in Zambia, a landlocked country in southern Africa. In 2002, the United States issued this set of 4 stamps picturing 4 native species: the red bat, the spotted bat, the pallid bat, and the leaf-nosed bat. The leaf-nosed bat holds the distinction of being the only bat to catch and eat caterpillars. I get butterflies in my stomach just thinking about that. Now, the pallid bat has a special superpower, and I'm not just talking about the radar sense like Daredevil. This superpower is he is immune to scorpion venom. From 2016 comes this set of 4 stamps from Ukraine, all depicting Bechstein's myotis. It's found in woodland areas throughout Europe and Western Asia and is listed on the IUCN Red List as a threatened species. In the UK, it is a rare and endangered species, with only 1,000 individuals estimated to exist. Now here's an interesting fact, and I don't have a stamp to show it, but the chitin, which is the substance in the hard outer layer of an insect, it makes bat poop sparkle. Here's a set of 4 first aid covers from Bulgaria, issued in 1989. It features 4 different species, all on the endangered list, as indicated by the inclusion of the World Wildlife Fund logo. Now, bats are in the news lately as the coronavirus wreaking havoc in China is thought to originate in bats. Bats are also feared as a carrier of rabies. The fact is, in 50 years, there have been less than 10 confirmed cases of people contracting rabies from bats. From Romania, home of the most famous creature of the night, comes a striking sheet featuring 6 different species of bats, none of which pose a threat to your blood supply. There are only 3 species of vampire bats, and the enzyme in their saliva, which prevents their dinner from clotting, is being studied for use in treating stroke victims. We interrupt this program to bring you another fun fact. Bats, as do almost all mammals, have belly buttons. The brown long-eared bat, shown on this souvenir sheet issued by Switzerland, has a very quiet echolocation signal and has earned it the nickname of the whispering bat. It is also a very docile bat, very easy to tame. I'm channeling my inner Graham Beck for this next fun fact. Over 300 species of fruit depend on bats for pollination, including bananas, avocados, and mangoes. This issue from Palau features a Palau fruit bat. In Palau, bat soup is considered a delicacy, as the fruit-based diet of the bats results in a sweet meat. There are too many endangered species of bats now, and it's hoped that through issuance of stamps like these, more people will be made aware of the important niche that these creatures occupy in our world. Until next time, this is Ted the Talking Stamp Collector, asking you to please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be notified of future episodes as they go up. And we'll see you next time.